In this video, I will show you how to verify email on Discord mobile. So before we get started with the video, please don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. So to get started, go ahead and open Discord and then head back by clicking on this back button at the top left of your screen. Head over into your profile by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right and then click on settings at the top right of the profile section. So in here, go ahead and click on account, and then in here click on your email, and then in here you'll find this option to verify your email. So simply click on this send verification code to verify your email. So Discord will send a verification code to your email, and then you'll need to enter that into your Discord account into the Discord app on your mobile device, and after that you'll be able to verify your email on Discord. And that's basically how you can verify email on Discord mobile. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers.